Hello! Today I am excited to introduce the Left-Handers 2018 Weekly Planner and Calendar. So I am a right-hander and I didn't really buy this book because, I wanted to use it all year round. Personally, I had an injury and it was on my dominant hand, and I decided I wanted to learn how to be ambidextrous and learn how to use my left hand to write with. And to be honest, I failed miserably at that. I did not take the time to learn to do that. However, I have to talk about this because this is such an amazing utensil for people who are left-handed and who have trouble writing and organizing and planning, because this is definitely a right-handed world. Every product, or most of the products that are made, are for right-handed people, and I now really understand where left-handed people are coming from and the difficulties that they have faced. So I'm going to talk about this. Also, my boyfriend is a left-handed person, and now this belongs to him. I gifted it to him, and he loves it. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the left-handers calendar here. So it is this purple notebook. As you can see, the spirals here, they are on the opposite side. Normally they're on this side, right? But when left-handers write, they tend to kind of smudge their hands when they feel like they're restrained by this, or sometimes they even hurt their hands on the spirals. So spirals can be pretty annoying for people with left hands, and most of the spiral notebooks are designed for people with right hands. So the pages are pretty wide, which are nice, and as you can see, the inside is white and purple, and that's really cool. So it was published by Andrews McMeel Publishing, and it was created by Carrie Kugel. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. And it was printed in China, but it was designed in the USA. Now on the right side are some really fun facts, and I'm going to show you that. So as you can see here, this is what the pages look like. It's a weekly planner, so you have the week here, so you can plan your week and write down your appointments or things like that, organize your tasks and what you need to do that week. And then they have some really cool quotes or cool facts or different names of famous left-handed people and all these cool things that I didn't even know about. And it's all designed for lefties. Up here, as you can see, there are different full month calendars. Just for reference, they're really small. But as you go on, the pages continue. See, inspiration from lefties. A True Man Hates No One by Napoleon Bonaparte. So that's really funny. And then he's been writing in here. What's also really cool is that they have the birthday parties of famous left-handed people. So different baseball players, broadcasters. Thomas A. Edison, this was his left-handed birthday, Sunday 11th on February. And these are the best left-handed tennis players according to this website. So I think it's really interesting to see. And you have the lefty birthday parties here. And then the holidays, Easter Monday in Canada. And so you're learning something new, and at the same time you are organizing and planning. And I also like that it starts with Monday and ends with Sunday, because that's how I think in my mind. You know, a lot of calendars you see a Sunday first and then Monday and then ends in Saturday. But this is a week, you know. So you plan your week from top to bottom, and there's still that calendar on the side here. Now at the back, it's interesting because I'm just gonna flip to the back here. We're in December. It's just really cool. And as you can see here, you can already plan for 2019. I think that's really cool. So this is more monthly, things you're looking forward to in 2019. You can use this however you want to. It's just really cool to be able to plan ahead. And then they also have full year calendars, just for reference, because it's really small. 2019, and they even have the year before, 2017. The spirals themselves, they are black, so they really stand out from the purple, and you can definitely see them. And I just like the color purple and white. I think it's nice, and it does give this kind of classy, clean look. And the pages, they're very glossy. It's like glossy paper, almost like magazine paper. And it smells like a magazine in my opinion. But then again, I'm one of those strange people who likes to, you know, smell books. I like the scent of a new book. So as you can see, it's in decent condition. I bought it a few months ago when I had my hand in a cast, and now it's been, you know, I handed it over to my left-handed boyfriend who adores it, but it's been really nice to have around. Now I wouldn't say I can put this in a purse. I mean, in particular my purse. If you have a tote bag, that's fine, which is kind of the downside as well, because you know, you want to be able to carry it around with you because it's your planner. But if that doesn't matter to you, or you have a backpack, that works just as well. So a lot of people, like if you're a student and you're left-handed, this is really nice to plan for your homework and all that important stuff that you have to go through when you're a student.